Thagierk.com. I got the do-rag on. Griff, you ever noise in the backyard? What was that, a monster?
No, they were aliens.
That's right, aliens. And now I'm going to go out with him. We're going to
investigate it. Investigate.
We're going to investigate, isn't that right?
Right.
We got the walkie-talkies right here, over. Alright, so we're going to go out and we're going to use, we're going to find the noises in the backyard and
Well, we have to find those aliens.
we got to find them aliens.
If they're humping weird at night in your backyard, who you call Alien Buster!
That's us! And that's what we're doing. Over now. Be careful, little Griff.
Come with me.
Alright, looks like I'm going first.
You have a gun. You go first.
Alright, just calm down, son.
Let's get in our barn. We're going to go get in our barn.
It's dark up there. Who's there?
Who's there?
As you can see, we're not inside the garage. So what's the plan, little man? You take off your, you need those goggles
Well,
to protect yourself.
okay.
In case the monster or alien spit things at your face, you gotta protect your eyeballs.
Well, what if electricity? Yeah, you're right. If they bit electricity at me.
Careful on that, big boy. Okay, what gun do you want? The shotgun?
A BB gun.
Oh yeah, we'll get the shotgun.
I want a BB gun.
Now, Griff, along with this comes responsibility. Well, not so fast, son.
Why not go fast?
All right, I'm moving out. Okay. Oh, that's enough! Is there a problem?
Okay, we're going to leave the lights on.
We're going to leave the lights on?
And I'm going to get in the
So if I turn the lights on like this? All right. Someone doesn't like that noise. Can't scream so loud because we're going to neighbors call the cops. All right, let's move this out.
You look for...
I can't see your face, son.
Because it's my goggles.
Griff, back here. Wait, what do we find noise-wise?
Our farts.
We found our farts.
Yeah, noises were our farts.
The noises were our farts, huh?
Right.
Dang! That's what you get from the Thagierk.com.
That would get to group.com.
Is that right, Griff?
I took off my disguise.
Yeah, that's fine.
That means you take off your disguise.
What? My disguise? My do-rag? You put my do-rag on. Oh, now I'm just a Thagierk. That's all right. I'll just put the do-rag on the M16, the AR-15 here. All right. So we hear any noises, Griff? We'll go outside and we'll investigate. But we're done with that, huh?
Yeah, we're done for that.
We're done with that, huh?
Yeah.
All right. It was a good adventure?
It was a good adventure.
High five.
That's why you went to aliens here.
All right. That's the end for the Thagierk.com. This bit is over. And when I say over, I mean over.